Hi, this is Cadence Haney for AEP 800, and this is my critical thinking video. So my audience is going to be my coworkers. Every first and third Tuesday of the month, we call Tech Tuesday in our 7th grade PLC. I'm in charge of providing tech support to my other teachers, my coworker teachers, for any Google Suite applications, as well as providing some exposure to other tech tools they may find useful in the classroom. So, thinking about critical thinking and how I would deliver this information back to them, I found this definition that I really liked. Critical thinking allows you to ask questions without fear, seek out radically different solutions and voice them without reprisal, and read widely and deeply and examine without end, and grow intellectually. So whether we're using technology or not, these are some key components of critical thinking. We want to make sure our students are drawing inferences, using good interpretation skills, self-regulation, being able to evaluate, give an explanation, and analyze. So the way that I'm going to encourage my coworkers to incorporate this in their classroom through technology is allowing students to envision an idea, create their idea, meet obstacles and problem solve through that, and then revise based on feedback. So the medium that I'm going to suggest they use is a website called Scratch. It is another piece of technology I did not know how to use and I wanted to do some research on, so I used it for this project as well. You basically create a username and a password, and then it takes you to this page here, and when you're ready to create, you just click on Create. And this website is built to help familiarize students with code and how code works. So the coding has been broken down into blocks of word commands that are nice and easy to understand and read. The students just drag and drop the command that they want and stack them on top of each other here in the middle, and then that affects their animation over here on the right. So there's lots of applications for this across the curriculum. They have tutorials to help you with whatever you are wanting to use it for. I'm going to play just a few seconds of their Getting Started tutorial. And the very first example they give is a story. So they've got these two little characters, there's word bubbles, and they're communicating. So if you're an English teacher, this would be great for book reports or for animating poetry. They also have math games, so if you're a math teacher, you could create an interactive math game or have the students create one of their own. And then finally, they have other animations. So if I was a history teacher and wanted students to create a timeline, they could create their own characters and create it using that. And I have summarized those things that I just discussed here for you. One I didn't mention is the science teacher could use it to illustrate processes like water cycle or photosynthesis. So I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your videos.